Express version 5.0 DTF heat press, ushering in a new era of smart printing. Smart Vision Positioning System, whether it's a large graphic or a small logo, it auto-detects and locks precisely. Place graphics freely, automatically locates and peels without any human intervention. Supports multi-graphic handling on one garment, robotic arm peels each with pinpoint accuracy. Switch freely between 3 modes, full auto, semi-auto, and manual, adapt to any workflow with ease. Mass production? Personalized pod? Sample testing? One machine covers it all. Supports 3 preset templates, quickly call up settings for repeat orders and double your efficiency. Smart Garment Gripper, whether light tees or bulky hoodies, removes them effortlessly and smoothly. High-speed film peeling with vibrant results and crisp edges, your guarantee for premium output. Express version 5.0 heat press, Smart Vision Positioning, multi-pattern automatic peeling, high-efficiency heat press automation.